Another dream is within reach. A student opens up a book. An entrepreneur takes another look.
In today's world, connection is no longer just physical. It is digital. Information, communication, education, work, and opportunity all flow through digital systems. When access is strong, communities are connected. When access is weak, people are left behind. Tonight our panel asks, how can communities strengthen digital access? Welcome to the Thunderdome. Good evening and welcome back to America Together Radio. Last episode we explored food security. Tonight we begin a new chapter, digital access, internet connectivity, technology infrastructure, digital literacy, and closing the digital divide.
So digital access is now essential for daily life.
Exactly. Digital access is no longer optional, it is foundational to modern participation. Tonight we'll discuss internet connectivity, affordable access to devices, digital literacy and education, infrastructure expansion, public digital services, and ways communities can ensure everyone can participate in the digital world. President Pipeline, when a community wants to strengthen digital access, where should it begin? We'll hear your answer right after the break.
Morning light across the hills, rolling over fields so still.
Welcome back. Tonight's question, how can communities strengthen digital access? President Pipeline, will begin with you.
Thank you. Digital access begins with connectivity. Do households have reliable internet? Is broadband available in rural and urban areas alike? Can people actually get online when they need to? We must identify where connection is missing.
So infrastructure comes first.
Exactly. You cannot participate in the digital world without a connection to it.
Sometimes people assume everyone is already online, but that's not always true.
Assumptions hide gaps.
Liberty Jack, your perspective.
Expand affordable internet. Support public Wi-Fi in community spaces. Ensure devices are accessible to students and families. Connectivity should be universal.
So access must be both physical and financial.
Absolutely. Without affordability, access is incomplete.
Connectivity reveals opportunity gaps.
Affordability closes them.
And both determine who gets left behind.
A strong beginning for tonight's discussion. After the break, Lady Progress discusses digital education, innovation, and learning systems. Captain Constitution explores fairness, access rights, and digital responsibility. Stay with us.
The festival tents line up the park beside a lake beneath the...
Welcome back. Tonight we're exploring how communities can strengthen digital access. So far we've discussed connectivity and affordability. Now let's continue. Lady Progress, how does digital literacy support access?
Digital literacy is essential. People need to know how to use devices, navigate online services, and safely access information. Without skills, even good infrastructure is not enough.
So education matters as much as infrastructure.
Exactly. Access without understanding is incomplete access.
Captain Constitution, what role does fairness play in digital systems?
Everyone deserves equal opportunity to participate in the digital world. That includes access to education, tools, and safe environments online. Fair systems ensure no one is excluded due to lack of training or resources.
So digital rights include education.
Very much so. Participation requires both access and understanding.
President Pipeline, what stands out to you?
Connectivity creates access.
Affordability enables participation.
Education builds skill.
Fairness ensures inclusion.
Sometimes the hardest part of going digital is just knowing where to click first.
True. Market Maverick off microphone. And sometimes it's just remembering your password. After the break, Market Maverick discusses practical digital systems. Professor Data explores research on digital inclusion. And the People's Advocate shares everyday habits that improve digital access. Stay with us.
I'm Jeremy Levan. Rural communities understand problems that national politics often ignores. Distance, roads, hospitals, water, agriculture, energy, broadband, schools, and local services are not abstract issues. They are daily realities. America Together 2028 wants those voices included.
just like it has forever.
Welcome back. Tonight we've discussed connectivity, affordability, and digital literacy. Now let's ask an important question. How can communities turn digital access ideas into real-world systems? Market Maverick, what practical steps improve digital access?
Expand public Wi-Fi in libraries and community centers. Support low-cost internet programs. Provide refurbished devices to families in need. Create clear tech support resources for residents.
So system support usage?
Exactly. Access only works when people can actually use it easily.
Professor Data, what does research suggest about digital access?
Research often associates strong digital access with improved education outcomes, increased job opportunities, better access to healthcare, and higher civic participation. Communities benefit when digital inclusion is widespread and equitable.
So digital access affects everything.
Very much so. Digital connectivity is now a core part of modern opportunity.
People's Advocate, what practical advice would you offer listeners?
Learn basic digital skills. Help someone set up their device. Share internet resources in your community. Stay informed about local digital programs.
Quick thoughts.
Connectivity creates access.
Affordability enables participation.
Education builds confidence.
Fairness ensures inclusion.
Digital systems also have environmental impacts that must be considered.
After the break, each mascot shares one habit that helps communities strengthen digital access. Then we'll conclude tonight's discussion and preview our next episode. Stay with us.
The lighthouse stands against the sky.
Welcome back. Tonight we've explored how communities can strengthen digital access. We've talked about connectivity, affordability, education, practical systems, and inclusion in the digital world. Now let's close with one final question. If you could encourage every community to practice one habit that strengthens digital access, what would it be?
Ensure everyone knows how to access basic online services. Awareness is the first step.
Make internet access affordable and available to all. Access is the foundation.
Teach digital skills that evolve with technology. Learning builds confidence.
Protect equal access to digital participation for all citizens. Fairness ensures inclusion.
Build digital systems that are energy efficient and sustainable. Technology should respect the environment.
Keep digital tools simple and user-friendly. Clarity improves adoption.
Help someone in your community get online. Connection starts with people.
Continue evaluating digital systems and expand infrastructure, literacy, and equitable access to ensure long-term participation in the modern economy and civic life.
Digital access is no longer optional. It is essential. It connects people to education, to work, to healthcare, to information, and to each other. When communities strengthen digital access, they strengthen opportunity itself.
What's next inside the Thunderdome?
Next time, our panel explores Episode 094, How Can Communities Strengthen Mental Health Support Systems? We'll discuss counseling access, awareness, community care, crisis support, and emotional well-being. You've been listening to America Together Radio, simulated mascot debate Thunderdome. Today's discussion featured fictional mascot characters created to explore civic ideas through respectful conversation. The characters are fictional. Their conversations are intended to encourage inclusion, access, and stronger communities. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep connecting, keep learning, keep building together, and we'll see you inside the Thunderdome.
The same as they have through the years, watching seasons come